Stop what you're doing. Tesla's Optimus robot just learned to do this. Yep, that's a Tesla robot handling your chores better than you do. But here's why this isn't just another robot demo. Elon Musk just declared Optimus will be the biggest product ever made. Bigger than the iPhone, bigger than the Model Y, maybe even bigger than Tesla itself. That's not all. Tesla's hiring humans in VR suits to train it, building a monster supercomputer, and Musk predicts billions of these bots. Buckle up. This changes everything. Tesla just unleashed a game-changing update for its Optimus humanoid robot, and it's learning faster than anyone expected. Forget clunky, pre-programmed movements. This bot is now handling real-world tasks with eerie precision, all thanks to a breakthrough in AI training. The latest demonstration shows Optimus performing chores that would make any homeowner jealous. Watch as it grabs a trash bag, lifts a bin lid, and disposes of waste effortlessly. Then, with a simple voice command, pick up the brush and dustpan, clean the table. It sweeps up food scraps like a seasoned housekeeper. But it doesn't stop there. The same robot tears paper towels from a roll, stirs a pot on the stove, runs a vacuum, organizes items on a dolly, presses microwave buttons, and even closes curtains. What makes this so revolutionary? Optimus isn't relying on rigid, hand-coded instructions. Instead, Tesla trained it using a single neural network fed by first-person human demonstration videos. The robot watches, learns, and replicates, just like a person would. Elon Musk isn't mincing words about the implications. At a recent conference, he declared Optimus the biggest product of all time, predicting its impact could dwarf every invention that came before it. He envisions a future where Tesla produces millions of these robots annually, with the first factory deployments happening before 2026. The demand, he claims, will be insatiable. But here's what sets Optimus apart from older robotics. Traditional industrial bots excel at repetitive tasks in controlled environments. Optimus, however, is built for adaptability, handling unpredictable, dynamic settings like homes and workplaces. If Tesla scales this as planned, we're not just looking at a new product. We're looking at the foundation of a humanoid labor force. The public reaction has been explosive. Tesla's demo video racked up 1.6 million views in under 10 hours, with viewers both amazed and skeptical. Can Optimus generalize skills across different homes? How quickly can it learn without human demonstrations? These are the challenges Tesla must tackle next. One thing's certain: Optimus is no longer a sci-fi prototype. It's a tangible step toward autonomous robots that could reshape daily life. And if Musk's predictions hold, this is only the beginning. Let's just hear what the actual Optimus engineers are saying. Milan Kovac, Tesla's VP for the Optimus project, explained that their latest breakthrough allows them to transfer a huge chunk of learning directly from human videos to the bot. Right now, it works best with first-person footage, but the goal? Third-person internet videos, random YouTube clips. That's the next level. He said it flat out. This is way more scalable than teleoperated data, which is heavy and slow. Instead, Optimus is picking up tasks faster than ever, and all it takes is a simple voice command. Hey Optimus, vacuum. And it just does it. All of this, by the way, is running on a single neural network. Another engineer jumped in to say just how insane that is, because that means they're getting bimanual, dexterous manipulation across tons of different tasks with barely any teleop data. And yeah, they're moving into reinforcement learning next. So that's a robot watching human videos, trying the task, and learning from trial and error. It's fast, it scales, and it's happening now. Kamal, another engineer on the team, added that Optimus is doing everything from ironing to watering plants to arranging Model X4 links, all using a single neural net. That drastically simplifies the system. Fewer moving parts, fewer bugs, easier updates, and way better memory efficiency. And because it's one network, it can actually generalize, meaning skills it picks up from one task can transfer to others. That's wild. It's not just repeating tasks, it's learning how to learn. So yeah, the engineers are not downplaying this. This isn't a party trick. This is a real leap in humanoid learning. While Tesla's viral Optimus dancing video grabbed global attention, it also highlighted a deeper contrast in the robotics world. Yes, Optimus is progressing rapidly, but Tesla's approach is fundamentally different from what we see elsewhere. When we look at robotics companies like Unitree, Agility Robotics, and Boston Dynamics, the landscape becomes more nuanced. Advanced acrobatics like backflips, martial arts moves, and dynamic maneuvers that make Optimus's recent dancing demo look conservative by comparison. The key difference lies in specialization. Many competitors focus on raw physical capabilities first, while Tesla prioritizes practical task execution. Again, Milan Kovac from Optimus team acknowledges they're still in the training phase, with much of the robot's current functionality relying on simulation-based learning. This mirrors Tesla's approach to full self-driving technology, promising long-term potential but requiring significant development before achieving full autonomy. Elon Musk's ambitious vision positions Optimus as a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, with projected pricing between $25,000 to $30,000 per unit. However, the robotics market is becoming increasingly crowded, with several well-funded competitors making rapid advances in humanoid robot development. Tesla's solution to accelerate Optimus's learning curve involves an unexpected human element. The company is actively recruiting data collection operators, specialized employees who will physically demonstrate tasks while wearing motion capture suits and VR headsets. These operators will perform various daily activities along predetermined test routes, generating the real-world movement data that fuels Optimus's neural network training. The job requirements reveal the intensive nature of this work. Candidates must be comfortable walking over 7 hours daily while carrying 30-pound loads, maintaining precise hand-eye coordination. They're essentially robotic choreographers. Every sway, pivot, and weight transfer during their VR sessions gets analyzed to smooth out Optimus's movements. The height restrictions, 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet, ensure the robot's motions look convincingly human. Selected operators will travel up to 25% of the time, collecting diverse movement data across different environments. This human-powered training approach provides Optimus with authentic behavioral data at scale, bridging the gap between simulated learning and real-world functionality. The strategy highlights Tesla's commitment to developing practical robotics through massive, high-quality training datasets, even if it means employing teams of humans to teach machines how to eventually replace human labor. The computational demands behind Optimus are about to get a massive upgrade. Tesla is currently constructing Cortex 2.0, a next-generation supercomputer cluster at Giga, Texas, that will push the boundaries of AI training. This facility expands on their existing 50,000 GPU Cortex 1.0 installation, with industry observers speculating it may surpass even Elon Musk's XAI supercomputer that currently operates 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs. What makes this infrastructure critical is the dual workload it will handle. The same system will process both Optimus's neural network training and Tesla's full self-driving development, creating powerful synergies between the two AI projects. The computational requirements are staggering. Every Optimus unit needs to process real-time environmental data, human interactions, and complex task execution simultaneously. With plans to scale production to millions of robots, Tesla needs a supercomputing backbone that can handle exponential growth in training demands. The Cortex 2.0 architecture represents more than just raw processing power. It's being designed for efficient transfer learning, allowing breakthroughs in one domain, like object recognition for FSD, to accelerate progress in another, such as Optimus's manipulation skills. This unified approach could give Tesla a significant advantage, as both systems benefit from shared advancements in multimodal AI understanding.
My prediction actually for humanoid robots is that ultimately there will be tens of billions. I think everyone will want to have their personal robot. You can think of it like as though you had your own personal C-3PO or R2-D2, but even better. Then who wouldn't want to have their own personal C-3PO R2-D2? That would be pretty great.
Elon Musk's vision for humanoid robotics extends far beyond factory applications. During a recent appearance at a recent talk in Riyadh, he dropped a bombshell. He sees a future with tens of billions of humanoid robots. That's more robots than people on Earth. Musk's vision? These bots become as common as smartphones. You'll have one at home doing chores, businesses will use them for labor, and factories. They'll be packed with Optimus bots working 24/7. He even compared it to having your own R2-D2 or C-3PO, except way more useful.
Sometimes in AI they talk about universal basic income. I think it's actually going to be universal high income, where anyone can have any goods or services that they want.
But here's where it gets really interesting. Musk believes this robotic workforce could trigger something he calls universal high income. Not universal basic income, high income. The idea is, robots will drive productivity so high that the cost of goods and services plummets. Food, manufacturing, construction, all of it becomes cheaper because bots are doing the heavy lifting.
Now, there obviously are some risks, which illustrate perhaps if we don't do this right, you could have like a James Cameron sort of movie, Terminator. We don't want that one. But having sort of a Star Trek future would be great, where we're out there exploring the stars, discovering the nature of the universe.
Of course, there's a catch. Musk admits this future isn't guaranteed. He's warned about Terminator scenarios if AI isn't developed responsibly. But if we get it right, we could be looking at a Star Trek-level utopia where humans focus on creativity, exploration, and leisure while robots handle the grind. And Tesla's already moving. They're aiming for 1 million Optimus bots per year, just the first wave. If demand explodes the way Musk predicts, we could see these things everywhere within a decade. So where does this leave us? Optimus is evolving fast, learning tasks, getting smarter, and Tesla's building the supercomputers to power it all. Elon's betting big on a future where these bots are everywhere. What kind of future do you want to see? Drop your thoughts below, hit like if you're excited or nervous, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. See you next time.